Global Chamber for Lawyers and Legal Professionals, GCLLP, protects the rights and dignities of legal practitioners and consultants in various fields and works for their growth through networking, nestling and nurturing their professional progress. It is a non-profit initiative of Jurist Global to bring the global law professionals on a single platform, exchange ideas, build a strong network and research for a common purpose to achieve the concept of SDG 16. It addresses the common problems faced by entry-level and mid-career lawyers and legal professionals. Are you a lawyer who wants to make a difference in the world? Do you believe that everyone should have access to justice? Then you'll want to hear about Global Chamber for Lawyers and Legal Professionals, GCLLP. Global Chamber for Lawyers and Legal Professionals, GCLLP, is a joint venture of LIF, India, GGF, USA and Jurists Global. It was created to help achieve two of the UN's key priorities among its Sustainable Development Goals, promoting the rule of law and increasing access to justice. Our mission is to amplify the professional voices of lawyers by connecting law societies and bars across the globe. We harness the global legal profession's collective perspective, purpose and power towards advancing the rule of law and access to justice. Salient aims and objects of the Global Chamber for Lawyers and Legal Professionals, GCLLP, are, to uphold the Constitution of India, and the representative, free and democratic form of government and to uphold and promote the rule of law as per SDG 16, to promote the science of jurisprudence and to encourage and conduct research and investigations in legal and allied fields by building a global family of legal professionals and legal practitioners, to promote the reform of the administration of justice and rule of law and its healthy development suitable to the social, economic and other needs of the people as per the norms of Sustainable Development Goal number 16, to promote uniformity of legislation and of judicial decisions throughout the country and at the same time to promote comparative and contemporary legal study, research and publication, to uphold the honor, the dignity and the independence of the bar and the profession of law across the globe and make a global citizen-based platform for legal practitioners, to assist the bar in upholding its rights and dignity in its relations with the executive and the judiciary and research the policies that make this strategy strong across the globe. To apply the knowledge and experience in the field of law to the promotion of the public good, to promote unity and solidarity among the members of the bar throughout India and unite them with the global bars irrespective of their practice experience, acceptance by the leaders and earning potentiality, to bring about a unified Indian bar with a common role of advocates and with a right to practice in all the courts in the country and provide them the resources if they plan to expand their services across the globe, to take measures for the provision of free legal aid to the poor and the establishment and maintenance of a system of prompt and efficient legal advice for persons irrespective of their capacity to pay. To promote the improvement of legal education, to impart instruction in law and to conduct examinations for admission to the bar across the globe, to set up a code of professional conduct, discipline and etiquette inside Global Chamber for Lawyers and Legal Professionals, GCLLP, to further good relations and cooperation between the bar and the bench, between the bar and the public, and between the Indian bar and lawyers of other countries. To take measures to provide for financial aid to members of the bar in straitened circumstances and to members of their families on their death, to take measures with a view to provide an efficient system of law reporting and promote publication of works on law, to work in cooperation with other societies, institutions and organizations, national and international, and to send delegations to national or international conferences in the pursuit of all or any of the above objects, to constitute or cause to be constituted regional centers at convenient places in India to promote the activities of the association, to hold conferences or seminars at the global level. To do all such things and to perform all such acts as may be necessary or proper for the achievement of any or all of the above objects, we believe that being treated fairly and equally under laws that adhere to international human rights standards and the ability to exercise your rights and hold decision-makers to account are among the necessities for sustainable social and economic growth. Join us today and justify access to global justice. Access to justice is a basic principle of the rule of law. In the absence of access to justice, people are unable to have their voices heard, exercise their rights, challenge discrimination or hold decision-makers accountable, according to a recent report by the WJP. Justice problems are ubiquitous and frequent. Despite this, most people do not turn to lawyers and courts. Less than a third, 29%, of people who experience a legal problem sought any form of advice to help them better understand or resolve their problem. GCLLP helps lawyers and law societies for sustainable growth. We are proud to promote SDG 16 Rule of Law. The Sustainable Development Goals are a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet and improve the lives and prospects of everyone, everywhere. These 17 goals were adopted by all UN member states in 2015, as part of the 2030 Agenda. Global Chamber for Lawyers and Legal Professionals, GCLLP, main object to network lawyers, legal consultants, legal professionals, paralegal professionals across the world and promote the global goals to see that rule of law and access to justice is achieved as per the norms of SDGs and value adding to the profession of law practice and consulting. Join Global Chamber for Lawyers and Legal Professionals, GCLLP, today and help us promote rights of lawyers, honor the profession, establish the rule of law and access to justice to all with no discriminations of caste, color or creed. Together, we can make a difference in the world.